Welcome. Today we navigate the fascinating journey of BMW, a global powerhouse in the luxury car market. With a rich legacy that's synonymous with innovation and luxury, BMW has positioned itself as a leader in the automotive industry. But here's something that may surprise you: the affordability of used BMWs. It's a topic that sparks curiosity and raises many questions. So, what makes used BMWs so affordable? Let's delve into this intriguing question. BMW's reputation for innovation and luxury is well known. However, this doesn't always translate to high resale values. BMW has consistently demonstrated a commitment to innovation, with a research and development ratio of 5.1% in 2021. This commitment to advancement, while commendable, doesn't always shield the brand from depreciation. In fact, BMWs can lose up to 60% of their value within the first 5 years. To put that into perspective, the average car loses around 30 to 40% of its value in the same period. This stark contrast in depreciation is a primary factor in the affordability of used BMWs. It's a simple case of supply and demand. As the value drops, the price becomes more appealing to potential buyers. Depreciation plays a significant role in making used BMWs affordable, but there's more to the story. Maintenance and insurance costs are other key factors affecting the price of used BMWs. Let's begin with maintenance. BMWs are renowned for their performance and luxury, but these attributes come at a cost. On average, maintaining a BMW annually can set you back around $1,081. This is significantly higher than the national average of $652. Now, this might seem like a small price to pay for the joy of owning a BMW, but it does add up over time. And bear in mind, we're talking about routine maintenance here, not major repairs. The costs can skyrocket if something substantial needs fixing. These high maintenance costs can cause potential buyers to think twice, which in turn affects the resale value of these vehicles, but that's not all. There's also the insurance to consider. In 2023, the average annual premium for a used BMW was $1,832. When compared to other luxury brands, BMWs tend to have higher insurance costs. This is due to a variety of factors, including the high cost of repairs and the brand's popularity among car thieves. These high costs certainly make new BMWs a costly affair, thus making used ones a more attractive option. The balance of supply and demand in the market also significantly affects the pricing of used BMWs. Now imagine a seesaw. On one side we have the supply of used BMWs, and on the other, we have the demand for them. When the supply is high but the demand is low, the seesaw tilts. This tilt, my friends, results in lower prices. In recent years, BMW has been pumping out cars at a high rate, leading to what we call overproduction. This overproduction has created an oversupply of used BMWs in the market. And when there's an oversupply, the prices naturally dip. So, if you've been wondering why used BMWs seem more affordable than other luxury cars, it's partly because there are just so many of them out there. In essence, an oversupply of used BMWs in the market has led to lower prices, adding another layer to their affordability. As we've seen, the affordability of used BMWs is a result of various factors. First, we have the brand perception. BMWs are known for their innovation and luxury, which is reflected in their high research and development ratio. However, this doesn't save them from the harsh reality of depreciation. BMWs lose up to 60% of their value within the first 5 years. Then come the maintenance costs, which sit significantly above the national average, impacting the resale value of these vehicles. Additionally, the market supply and demand play a crucial role. An oversupply due to overproduction has led to lower prices for used BMWs. And let's not forget the insurance costs, with the average annual premium for a used BMW being notably higher than other luxury brands. All these elements combine to create a market where used BMWs are more affordable than you might expect. So next time when you see a used BMW at a surprisingly affordable price, you'll know exactly why.